In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Tableau job in just 5 minutes. This process involves leveraging the resources available on the Tableau website, which is essential for building your credentials and increasing your employability in the field of data analytics. First, you'll want to head over to the official Tableau website. This is your go-to hub for everything related to Tableau's business intelligence and analytics software, a powerful tool used widely across industries to visualize and understand data. Familiarizing yourself with the resources Tableau provides is a great step towards securing a position in this field. Once you're on the site, take a moment to explore the different sections. What you'll be looking for as you scroll down is the Learning and Certification page. It's a treasure trove of information and resources aimed at equipping you with the essential skills and knowledge needed to excel in using Tableau effectively. This page also outlines various learning paths and certifications you can pursue, which are highly regarded by employers. As you continue scrolling, you'll see various options. Click on Learning and Certification. This section is specifically designed to guide users through the journey of mastering Tableau. It offers a multitude of free and paid learning modules, accommodating different levels, from beginners to those looking to sharpen advanced skills. Next, look for the Get Certified link and click on it. Here is where you can discover the different types of certifications available. These certifications are crucial because they validate your skills and demonstrate to potential employers your proficiency in using Tableau. Gaining a certification not only boosts your resume, but also gives you confidence in your ability to perform tasks using Tableau software, setting you apart from other candidates. Employers often seek certified professionals because they guarantee a certain level of expertise and commitment. In summary, navigating through the Tableau website and utilizing its resources effectively can significantly enhance your prospects of landing a Tableau-related job. Start by familiarizing yourself with the software through the Learning and Certification page, and then take the final important step of obtaining certification. These credentials serve as a strong endorsement of your skills and can be pivotal in both getting a job and advancing in your career within data analytics. By following these instructions and investing in your skill development through the tools and certifications offered by Tableau, you'll be setting yourself up for success. So, get started today and watch as you become a more competitive candidate in the job market. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your journey toward a Tableau career.